Hey guys, so as you may wonder, sweet chili sauce is an integral ingredient for making various Thai dishes. It can be used as a stir-fry sauce or dipping sauce. It's a wonderful combination of spicy, sweet, sour, and once you make it at home, there is no going back to the store-bought ones. Especially because this recipe is a much healthier option that doesn't have any sugar. And you can make it at home in less than 10 minutes. So here's how to make one of the best easy homemade sweet chili sauce. The first step is to gather all your ingredients, then take a small or medium saucepan, add 1/3 cup of water and put the heat to a medium. Once the water has started to boil, add 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes, half a cup of rice vinegar, three tablespoons of sweetener like Xylatol or Erythritol, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and let it boil for 1 minute. Then take a small ramekin, combine 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cold water. And mix it well until cornstarch is fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into the saucepan and stir until sauce begins to thicken. Turn the heat off and then add 2 tablespoons of orange marmalade and stir again until it's fully incorporated. And that's it, your sauce is ready. Let it cool down to room temperature before you put it in the fridge, and it should stay in the fridge for up to 5 days. I hope you enjoyed my keto recipe for sweet chili sauce, and if you're looking for more delicious keto recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for future recipes. Bye!